Hey, good morning. Henry McClure Live. I'm here in the glass house kitchen. Been talking to the producers about making a cooking video. I think I've got the light. I've definitely got the table. Look at that. I'm cleaning up the the pantry. And I'll tell you what I've decided to do. I got to get my kitchen guy. I mean, he built it the way I asked him. I'm not, because I just kind of need like that open format. You know, Bianca hated that until I got it a little more organized. But I'm going to go ahead and get the some doors for this. Just because I don't want them to show up haphazardly in one of the cooking videos. But anyway, I'll be talking about Dr. Gundry on the show and the health. You know, today the book I've been reading is The Energy Paradox. I recommend reading the Plant Paradox first, even though Gut Check is the newest of the books, because, and what I really like about Dr. Gundry is if you look at the changes between Gut Check and Plant Paradox, they're minimal, but they're changes. Dr. Gundry evolves. And what I really like about Dr. Gundry is it's all about evolution. It's about the diet evolves, the science evolves. You know, the more research he does. I'm actually trying to sell this to a client. I want to go with something a little more subtle, a little more smooth, you know. Sometimes just hopping into a horse tank just isn't as gracious as you would think. Well, we're going to keep it short. Here we go. I've got my Vital Reds. I've got my turmeric, black pepper. You got to have the black pepper. You know why? Black pepper actually helps carry the good stuff into your system. Probably better out there, isn't it? Looking a little rough this morning. You put a little, whoa! Well, that ain't gonna hurt. Dr. Gundry actually says the only reason to eat is to consume olive oil. The whole lid came off. You know, there's a little lid within that lid, you know what I mean? See? Kind of screwed that up. But you know something, if that's my only fault, I'm telling you, one of the, I did get it approved where we're taking on a new member into the Bantleon clan on a probationary period. Oh, man, what a nice thing. Hey, I want to be part of the Bantleon family. Okay, you're in. I already talked to Bianca, got it approved. I'm in charge of the Kansas City Bantleons, the Kansas Bantleons. We do have a Bantleon over in Missouri now. She wanted to live. She's a Jayhawk, but she couldn't find the right stuff in Kansas. She didn't talk to the right real estate guy. We'll get her moved over to the Kansas side. I wonder actually who has better taxes. I've never studied it. Okay. More to come today. I've got a report to the producers today about a big project. A lot going on. Good morning. If you haven't been in a church in a while, go find one.